Welcome to this complete Lake Bled Slovenia guide. Picture a tranquil emerald lake nestled amidst the Julian Alps, with a quaint island at its heart and a medieval castle perched atop a rocky cliff. This is Lake Bled, a hidden gem in the heart of Slovenia, Europe's green capital. Known for its stunning natural beauty, rich history and unique culture, Lake Bled is a place where time seems to stand still. From the iconic Bled Castle that whispers tales of yesteryears, to the serene boat trips to Bled Island and the charming walkways around the lake, every corner of this place holds a promise of a new adventure. And let's not forget the mouth-watering Bled cream cake, a treat that is sure to satiate your sweet tooth. Join us as we embark on this journey to discover 12 amazing things to do in Lake Bled, Slovenia. First on our list is the iconic Bled Castle. Perched atop a steep cliff, this medieval masterpiece has been standing guard over Lake Bled for over 1,000 years. Its stone walls and towers are a testament to the architectural prowess of the era, offering a step back in time to the Middle Ages. But it's not just about history. The castle's strategic location provides panoramic views that are nothing short of breathtaking. From its lofty perch, one can take in the entirety of Lake Bled, the island, and the surrounding Julian Alps. It's the kind of view that makes you pause, appreciate the moment, and maybe even snap a few pictures for posterity. Inside, the castle houses a museum that tells the tale of its rich history, complete with artifacts, armor, and art. And to sweeten the deal, there's also a wine cellar offering tastings of local Slovenian wines. A trip to Lake Bled would be incomplete without visiting its historic castle. Next, we venture to Bled Island by boat. Imagine gliding over the tranquil waters of Lake Bled, the gentle hum of the boat's engine a soothing lullaby. To your left, the sun casts dappled patterns on the water's surface, and to your right, the majestic Julian Alps stand as silent sentinels. This is no ordinary boat trip, it's a journey through a fairy tale. Upon reaching Bled Island, you'll find it's not just the journey that's enchanting, but the destination too. A lush green haven, the island is home to the iconic Church of the Assumption, its steeple piercing the Slovenian sky. The island also houses a small museum, where you can delve into the history and lore of this magical place. Whether you're exploring the island's hidden corners or simply soaking in the breathtaking views, Bled Island offers an unforgettable experience. A serene boat trip to Bled Island is a must-do activity. Fancy a walk? The Lake Bled walkway awaits. An enchanting perimeter path encircles this azure jewel, presenting a panorama of stunning views at each turn. It's a feast for the eyes and the soul, where nature's artistry is on full display. Every step you take opens up a new spectacle, as if the lake is presenting you with a slideshow of its most dazzling photo opportunities. So, tie up those laces and breathe in the serene beauty. A walk around Lake Bled offers a chance to take in its natural beauty. For the adventurous Vintgar Gorge is calling. Nestled amidst towering cliffs, the gorge is a spectacle of nature's grandeur. Its rushing river, cascading waterfalls and verdant foliage are a feast for the senses. The wooden walkway clinging to the edge of the cliff provides a pathway through this dramatic landscape. Feel the thrill of exploration as you traverse the gorge, the sound of rushing water echoing around you. This place is a testament to the raw, untamed beauty of Slovenia. Exploring Vintgar Gorge is an adventure not to be missed. Now let's indulge in some Bled delicacies and visit the St. Martin's Parish Church. The famous Bled cream cake, or as the locals call it, kremna rezina. Known far and wide, this pastry is the pride of Bled. Imagine a delicate puff pastry base topped with a generous layer of vanilla custard, whipped cream and another puff pastry layer, all dusted with powdered sugar. It's a culinary delight that simply melts in your mouth, a true must-try when in town. Now let's shift from the gastronomic to the spiritual. Nestled in the heart of Bled is the St. Martin's Parish Church. This architectural gem boasts a blend of neo-Gothic and Art Nouveau styles, offering a visual feast for lovers of ecclesiastical architecture. Its stunning stained glass windows and ornate frescoes tell stories of faith and devotion, adding a sense of tranquility to this bustling tourist town. Savouring the local cake and visiting the parish church is a delightful Bled experience. Ready for some relaxation and a bit of hiking? First off, let's talk about the tranquil Griska beach. It's the perfect spot to unwind, with the soothing sounds of the lake lapping at the shore and the majestic Bled Castle as your backdrop. You can dip your toes in the water, read a book, or simply bask in the sun. It's a little slice of paradise right here in Slovenia. Now, from serene to invigorating, let's shift gears to the Mala Osobnica hike. It's slightly challenging, but oh so rewarding. As you ascend, the trail weaves through lush greenery, with every step bringing you closer to that breathtaking panoramic view of Lake Bled. Once you reach the top, the sight of the emerald green lake nestled amongst the mountains is nothing short of spectacular. Relaxing at Grajska Beach and hiking to Mala Osobnica make for a perfect day in Bled. To wrap up our journey, we'll visit the Bled Festival Hall and Adventure Park. The Bled Festival Hall, a cultural gem nestled in the heart of the city, is a beacon of Slovenian artistry. With an array of concerts, exhibitions and festivals throughout the year, it's a vibrant hub of creativity and community spirit. The hall's architecture, with its modern aesthetic and spacious interior, serves as a testament to Slovenia's dedication to the arts. Now, let's shift gears a bit and head over to the Bled Adventure Park. This place is a thrill-seeker's paradise, offering a variety of adrenaline-fueled activities. From high ropes courses that challenge your balance to zip lines that whisk you through the treetops, the park provides a fun-filled day out for all ages. It's not just about the thrills, though. The park is set amidst a lush green forest, offering a breath of fresh air and a chance to connect with nature. Ending your Bled journey with a visit to the Festival Hall and Adventure Park is the icing on the cake. What an adventure it has been! We've just experienced the magic of Lake Bled, Slovenia through 12 captivating activities and attractions. Let's take a moment to reminisce and let the beauty of this place truly sink in. Our journey began with a visit to the majestic Bled Castle, standing proudly on a precipice overlooking the serene lake. This medieval fortress offered us a glimpse into Slovenia's rich history and presented us with breathtaking panoramic views. Next, we hopped on a traditional pletna boat and sailed to the enchanting Bled Island. The island's charm was further accentuated by the iconic Church of the Assumption, a must-see for any visitor. Back on the mainland, we enjoyed a leisurely walk around Lake Bled, soaking in the tranquil atmosphere and pristine natural beauty. This was followed by an adrenaline-fueled exploration of the Vintgar Gorge, where we marveled at the power and splendor of nature. And who could forget the gastronomic delight that is the Bled cream cake? Sampling this local delicacy, along with a visit to the St. Martin's Parish Church, offered a sweet interlude to our adventure. Next, we unwound at Grajska Beach, a perfect spot for relaxation and sunbathing. Our rest was well-deserved, as we then embarked on a challenging yet rewarding hike to Mala Osobnica, which rewarded us with an unforgettable view from Ostrika. We then discovered the cultural hotspot that is the Bled Festival Hall before wrapping up our adventure at the Bled Adventure Park, where we unleashed our inner child. Lake Bled, with its diverse offerings, has truly enchanted us. From historical landmarks and natural wonders to culinary delights and thrilling adventures, this place has something for everyone. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, a foodie, or an adrenaline junkie, Lake Bled is a destination that will leave you with memories to cherish for a lifetime. Lake Bled Slovenia has something for everyone, making it a perfect destination for all travel enthusiasts.